What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is how to become medical sales responsibly. Medical sales jobs we are always demand the jobs medical sales recently is supply the medical field with medical requirement and partner cure. That article we discount what the medical sales response has become once answer frequently asked question about the rules. What does medical sales respective do? A medical sales respect sales medical supplies to doctor fields, hospital. The jobs increase contact customer. Example benefit the product. Always question about product and financial deals. Average salary. A medical sales response trans and one days yes marks and average salary version according area to expect location employer and experience. How to become medical sales expectation. If you interest become medical sales respect contact following step. One purchase in education. Medical sales respect need a last high school diploma in or equal, but most have bachelor degree, a master of business and administer will make effect contract and theorem complete field your major supplier for personal have a 4 years degree, a better degrees demand increase business marketing pharmaceutical business contract earning certificate and education degrees interest employment proposed by setting getting certificate by access the supplier sales will needed contact national assembly sales required certificate national RC and BR. This will get medical technical background you are needed this certificate exam is 2 years long required maximum source of 6 backstage pass. Choose your inspection. First is useful what does interested in your state and mental health. Sales jobs made right you are into support medical then made your usual personal interest. Gain field experience once you did it to go special sales value national lesson possible 3 complete training before training identification word learn style If you learn as something staying classroom will not be best going knowledge. If you learn target once the job experience is not the best option, you avoid medical sales training program. Lifestyle in personal learning here is advanced networking will online learning is more flexible. First week so much available, large amount information and understand quickly. Experience is helpful. Your first medical sales job you can get training sign up made risk with alert option other ways increase starting sign up made sales career moment you are sold also learn and niche done target internet refresh finally state up with technology to permit employer something provide on the job training and frequent have recommendation condition education six network professional network in improvement fields successful medical sales you can start networking while college getting your professional will release jobs skate profile employers you should go to now people network possible related become a network expert in step 7 growth online percent Med respect report that 76% individual views condition online before making whether or reach out. Improvement have strong personal should social media account personal website look at successful industries related expert next jobs the great registration the great relation by AP work possible join in added brown this work and kindly understand for thanks for watching subscribe my channel for latest mission update thank you